Yeah, I know I had to flick up the bangs for y'all. I had to how y'all say it, finesse the hair, I guess. I had to finesse the hair. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, SBE Aesthetics. I'm on Instagram, SBE Aesthetics, and I'm on Facebook, SBE Aesthetics. So I will be doing many videos, and I will see you guys very, very soon with another video. Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. Today's video we're going to be doing a soft glam, and I just in a soft glam mode today. I don't know why, but that's what we're going to be doing. I already got my brows did, as you can see. Okay, got my brows done already. Then I'm going to move on down to my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be going in with the Masquerade palette, Juvia's Palace. Yeah, I'm going to be going in with that. And but before I do that, I'm going to apply some I'm just going to be going in with MAC and this, a mixture of these two together. Okay, so I'm just going to apply all that on my eyelid. So we're gonna be going in with this brown right here. We're gonna be going in with this brown called Burkina, I'm guessing. I don't know what it is, y'all. But yeah, I'm just going in, putting this brown in my crease area, as you can see. And I'm just building up that color as I need to. You don't know. So then I'm going to go in with a darker brown. Yeah. And we're just going to focus that baby right on really the corner of my eye, you know. So y'all see that? You're probably gonna do like 3 colors. I want to go in with some black too, so I'm actually gonna go in my soft glam eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the black in that, just because y'all know when I do my smoky eyes I want to deepen up the look. So I'm actually gonna come in even more with my black, because I want to deepen up that look. And I'm just going in circular motions, you guys, as you can see. Pat it to add more color, more pigment, more brightness. And yeah, as you can see, so y'all see that? It's coming out really cute so far. So far, and I'm not even done yet. But yeah. So this is like my soft glam look. I'm not done yet, but just gives you an idea. So right now I got 3 eyeshadow colors on. I want to go in and add this. It's called Ada. I'm gonna add that. It's from the Masquerade palette. I'm gonna add this color right here, and I kind of just want to like slightly take it in right here just beforehand, but I mean it really doesn't matter, I guess. And I just want to focus that like halfway in my eye area, like as you see me doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just focusing it in. Okay. Okay. Yeah, y'all see? It looking pretty. It looking pretty. Okay. So, I'm probably just going to bring that color up. So I'm not adding anything. I'm just blending out that harsh line right here. That's what I'm doing. So without adding anything, you see here, I just blended out that line, and I'm going to do the same thing right here. Okay. But I'm going to go in with a little eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to just brighten up my black because I want it a little darker. I know you're probably like, how the heck is this y'all probably wondering like, how is this a soft glam? Because you guys, even though you have dark colors, you can still create a soft wham bam glam. Yes, yes. Okay. So going back in, I'm probably just gonna use this. Well, let me not do that. So then we're gonna go in with maybe like some type of shimmer. I don't know. We'll do this color. I mean, I just really want like a pretty, you know. Nothing. So y'all see, this is kind of what it's looking like right now, you know. I'm gonna just go back in with that black just a little bit, just to deepen up my look. Okay. Then I'm just making sure I got my eyes. So we just gonna dust. Hey you guys, so I went on ahead and put my liquid eyeliner on and my lashes, and so this is what we're working with so far. I'm really loving this little soft glam makeup beat. Anybody can do this look, but right now I'm just going in and I'm putting some highlight in my tear duct area, just to pop, make the you know, make my makeup pop a little more, you know what I mean. I'm loving it, I'm loving it. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna be using Fenty foundation, and then I'm gonna be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills, yeah. Ooh, yeah. And so the Fenty one leaves like a matte finish, which is really good, I like that. So we're just gonna go in, we're gonna get to it, you know. I already moisturized my face. I didn't want to put a primer on today. Sometimes, you know what, I put primer on when I feel like it. I was gonna go buy this little makeup secret primer. I don't want to say it because I want to do a video on it. But they didn't have a small jar, so I'm waiting. But I'm going ahead and put this this foundation on. And mind you, this is Fenty foundation, matte finish. So, just so you guys are aware. Did I get? I sure did get black makeup down. I don't know how I did that, but it kind of smells good too. Huh. So these lashes I got on, I really like them. I had these a long time ago. I ordered them on Amazon. I just kind of wanted to take a break from like the Wah-Bam glam lashes, just because I want you guys, I feel like sometimes the Wah-Bam lashes take away, you know, your beautiful makeup work, you know, and you don't want that, you know, all the time, you know, you don't want to be taking that away. Look at them brows, look at them brows. Eee. So, you know, I did like a 3-step process. I want to say, was it 3-step on my brows, y'all? Like, no lie, it was crazy. I did like a 3-step process on my brows. A lot. I haven't used my Fenty foundation in a while, and I'm really like liking it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. All right, I'm really digging it. Like, no lie, like I'm really liking it. And this does leave, this one in particular, like is leaves like a matte finish. So, oh, there you have it right there. I'm gonna be going in with my MAC Studio concealer. I think it's Max. What is this? Pro Lone concealer. Yeah. I might add. I don't know. I was gonna see if I needed to add any other color, but I don't, we might be okay. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. And that was the Tarte concealer. I don't even know if you got. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not quite done, but I do want to go ahead and add my little. So We'll get to that. I just want to get all that in there. We're actually going to use this brush to blend out my contour. Okay, that's what we gonna do. You can see that baby already. Look at it. It look cute too. Don't it look cute? Don't it look cute? It look cute. Y'all. So I'm really stoked. So I'll be back. I'm gonna finish my face. I know you guys don't see me with this routine, but I'll be right back. I went on ahead and completed my face. As you can see, this is the look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips for you guys. So again, we're going for this soft glam makeup beat. I'm gonna be using this Forever Matte. I don't know what it is, y'all. It's something. Forever Matte lip gloss, something like that. I'm gonna be going in with my MAC brown. Y'all, this is like my favorite color. It's so pretty on brown skin. It really is. And then I'm gonna just take oh, darn it, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna take this little lip pencil thing that I have, and I'm just blending it out. I love matte lipstick. Don't get me wrong, I love matte lipstick, but your girl got severe chapped lips at times. So chapped lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that gloss, but you can do matte, as you can see. Look a little brown. And sometimes you just gotta play with the colors, you know. And that's what I'm doing. I'm creating a color. All right, this is the finished look. And I'll be back to show you the complete with my hair cute and stuff. Y'all know. I'll be right back.